You see this radical material here? I'm going to show you how to make this. So a really cool thing about this is that it only uses one texture sample, and that's right here, synthsquare. I posted a link to it in the description below, so go ahead and get that. I'm going to wait like 2 seconds, and I assume you got it. Cool. So this is the entire material. For those who know how to work Unreal materials, you can go ahead and recreate it from here. But if you want a step-by-step process, we're going to go over here. So first up, you're going to need to right-click and type in texture coordinate. And then from here, you're going to need to make U and V tiling, both 150. This basically makes the grid, like it makes it actually repeat. So after that, to make the grid move, we need a panner node. Hook that up and make the Y speed 1. Anything faster than that and it's going to look like flushing water, and that's not a look that you want. Next, we're going to need our image sample or texture sample. So go ahead and type that in, and then on the left here you'll see a texture. Here is where you put in the synthsquare texture that I provided. That's that bit. Now for the colors and the glowing, it's a little more tricky. Right click again and type in constant 3 vector. I'm going to go ahead and pick like a hot pink for this because that's pretty rad. And now I'm going to duplicate it and make something a little different, like a baby blue here. And from there, I want to lerp between these two colors. So I'm going to type in linear interpolate, which is weird because you'd think it would show up with lerp since the node is called lerp, but I mean, hey, Unreal, right? And now, in order to move between these two colors, we're going to need a time node and a sine node. So that's time, and sine, and hook these up. And now to actually make them glow, instead of just be these colors, we're going to need a multiply node. So go ahead and hold M on the keyboard and left click. Set B to 25, and hook it up into A. And now, in order to colorize the grid, we need another multiply node, so go ahead and click anywhere by holding M, and plug in this bit with the color bit. And now take this final node and plug it in to emissive color. And voila! Yeah! Beautiful material. Go ahead and click apply, save, and now you can apply it to anywhere in your world, and you get this super cool changing color synthwave like little background thing. Shout out to Wolftron for letting me use his song Rise Above. He makes radical 80s inspired synthwave, and I posted a link to his SoundCloud in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Unreal Engine content.